Okay, so first on the dead battery, you're gonna hook up the positive. Then on the good battery, you're gonna hook up the positive. Then also on the good battery, you're gonna hook up the negative. Then on the vehicle with the bad battery, you're not gonna hook it up to the ground on the battery. You're gonna find another ground like the strut bolt. This prevents this battery from shorting out the new one over there. And it also prevents a spark from happening when you hook them up. So now you're ready to start the vehicle with the good battery. Let it run for a minute and then start the vehicle with the bad battery. And to disconnect it, you're gonna do everything backwards.